Hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to the free card kit of the month video. In order for you to receive this free card kit and a small product gift sent directly to your Canadian mailbox, all you have to do is shop in my online store at a $50 minimum. No host code needed. But wait, there's more. Want to earn a free stamp set just for being a loyal customer? Check out the description box below. You'll find more information about this free card kit and my loyalty rewards program. And if you're watching this video to figure out how to put your kit together, I just want to say thank you for shopping with me, or thanks for being on my team. I appreciate you all so very much. Hey kids, welcome to the May 2025 card kit. I'm featuring the sentiment stamp set called With You in Mind. And it's just basically a sentiment. You're going to be able to swap the sentiment out with whatever you have in your stash. So this is pecan pie card base, and I'm featuring a brand new paper. It's called Beautiful Gallery 6x6 designer series paper. It's stunning. There are sort of like artwork on one side, and then I don't know, like it looks like a chateau wallpaper on the other, which I love. I can't get enough of this paper. It's very pretty. So on the basic white piece, you're going to stamp your sentiment. Obviously, if your sentiment is smaller, you're going to have to trim that down, but you know how to do that. And then what I'm going to do is actually just with Seal Plus, adhere it to this basic beige circle. So this is, I think it's the it's the 2 3/8 inch punch that I punched out for everybody. So everyone gets a little bit of this cardstock so you can see what the basic beige is all about. And then this piece is Secret C, or the other cardstock there. So I always, I fold the card bases, but I don't burnish them. So you go ahead and you burnish the card base. And then I'm going to put adhesive here. This is Seal Plus, just in the middle section. And this piece of designer series paper is 3 inches. So you want to be smaller than 3 inches for that. If you want to be super accurate, you can measure it. I eyeballed it because I like playing dangerous. You know how it is. So, you're going to get both cards with envelopes, and the card base is the same. But what you'll have to do is, I mean, if you want to use the same side of the the papers are going to be different. You're not going to be lucky enough to have 2 of the same. So I trimmed off the excess. I want this to be kind of in the middle, and then I'm going to adhere the circle and sentiment to that Secret C cardstock, and that is a new cardstock. That's a new in color. If you haven't heard about my in color club, please consider it. You have to December to sign up for it, but it's always really good to start off, at the first month in May and get all of the in colors. All right, so I'm just putting some Seal Plus down, and I'm placing that right in the middle. It's a simple card, but the designer series paper is actually speaking for it. I wanted to cover a little bit more of that vase so you can see more of the flowers. Anyway, you guys, thanks so much for spending time with me today, and for all the comments you leave, for the thumbs up and all the YouTubey things. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider it. It really helps my small channel grow. Thanks again for watching, and bye for now.